Have you ever wondered why you keep starting again, but somehow you always lose motivation after a few days? Why does improving yourself feel exciting at first, but later feel heavy, slow, and emotionally exhausting? And what if the real reason you feel stuck has nothing to do with your English? Hello everyone, welcome back to Thrive Talk English, a place where learning English is also about healing your confidence, changing your mindset, and becoming stronger emotionally. I'm Anaya, and in today's video, you will learn why people secretly give up on themselves, how fear slowly destroys confidence, and most importantly, how 5 small hidden daily habits quietly shape your future and the person you become. And by the end of this video, you will start seeing yourself differently. Not as someone who keeps quitting, but as someone who keeps growing. And most importantly, today you are not just going to listen. You are going to speak with me, practice powerful mindset building English sentences, and slowly train your mind to become stronger, more confident, and more consistent, one small step at a time. So, before you change your English, before you change your life, you first need to understand the hidden habit that are silently controlling your mindset. Habit number 1: giving up too early because progress feels slow. Most people secretly give up on themselves because they think slow progress means no progress. They look at their life after a few days, and when they don't see a huge change, they start believing nothing is working. But real growth does not happen that way. Think about a tree. When you plant a seed, nothing changes overnight. For days, sometimes even weeks, it looks like nothing is happening at all. No big results, no visible growth, no proof that the seed is changing. But underground, the roots are growing deeper every single day, quietly, slowly, patiently. And one day, that invisible growth finally becomes visible. Learning English works the same way. Confidence does not appear in one night. Fluency does not happen in one week. And becoming stronger mentally does not happen instantly either. It happens through small, repeated effort. One sentence, one mistake, one difficult day where you still decide not to quit. That is why slow growth is completely okay, because growth is still happening even when you cannot see it yet. And many people quit too early simply because they expect transformation before the roots are ready. So please, do not judge your future based on what you cannot see today. Because some of the strongest transformations begin silently. Remember, the people who succeed in life are not always the fastest people. Sometimes they are simply the people who stayed consistent long enough to finally bloom. And one more hidden habit that silently destroys progress. Habit number 2: comparison. Every single day, people look at someone else's success and use it as proof that they are behind. They see someone speaking fluent English, and suddenly their own progress feels small. They see confident people online and begin questioning themselves. Why am I still struggling? Why am I improving so slowly? Why am I not like them? But what they forget is they are comparing their beginning to someone else's middle. Think about climbing a mountain. If you keep looking at people far ahead of you, you will eventually feel exhausted, discouraged, and hopeless. Not because you are failing, but because you stopped noticing how far you have already climbed. And slowly, comparison steals joy from progress. But growth becomes much healthier when you stop competing with strangers and start focusing on becoming slightly better than yesterday. Because real progress is personal. Some people grow quickly, some people grow slowly, but slow growth is still growth. The goal is not to become someone else. The goal is to slowly become the strongest version of yourself. One step at a time, one sentence at a time, one small improvement at a time. So please, stop making yourself feel weak just because someone else is ahead of you right now. Everyone grows differently, and sometimes the people who grow slowly build the deepest strength inside. Remember, flowers do not bloom at the exact same time, but that does not make one flower less beautiful than another. In the same way, your journey still matters. Your progress still matters. And your slow improvement still deserves respect. And there is another hidden truth many people never fully understand. Habit number 3: learning English without connecting it to a deeper purpose. Many people start learning English only because they think they should. But after a few weeks, their motivation slowly disappears. Because the mind struggles to stay consistent when there is no emotional reason behind the effort. And this is important to understand. Learning English is emotional. It is not only about vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. English slowly becomes connected to your future, your confidence, your opportunities, your identity. Maybe you want to speak English because you want a better career. Maybe you want to travel confidently. Maybe you want to study abroad someday. Maybe you want to express your thoughts without fear. Or maybe you simply want to prove to yourself that you are capable of becoming more than the person you used to be. That is why people become emotional while learning English. And when your learning becomes connected to something meaningful, you stop quitting so easily. Because now, you are no longer practicing English only for sentences. You are practicing for the future version of yourself. The version of you who can speak confidently. The version of you who no longer stays silent out of fear. The version of you who finally believes they can grow. And suddenly, small daily practice starts feeling meaningful again. One sentence matters. One difficult day matters. One moment of courage matters. That is why people who have a strong reason often stay consistent longer. not because learning becomes easy, but because their purpose becomes stronger than their excuses. And slowly, English stops feeling like a subject you are studying and starts feeling like a door to a completely new version of your life. Habit number 4: surrounding yourself with too much negativity. Many people want to grow, but every single day their mind is filled with negative energy. Negative people, negative content, negative thoughts, and slowly their motivation starts becoming weaker. Because the environment around you quietly affects the way you think, feel, and behave. If you constantly hear, "You can't do it," "Your English is bad," "You will never change," your mind slowly starts believing it. That is why protecting your energy is important. Not every voice deserves space in your mind. Sometimes growth becomes easier when you spend less time around negativity and more time around things that inspire you to improve. A positive environment cannot change your life overnight, but it can make consistency feel much lighter. So please, be careful what you feed your mind every day, because your mind slowly becomes the environment you live in most often. And this is the final hidden habit: waiting to feel confident before taking action. Many people believe confidence comes first, but real confidence is built through repetition, through uncomfortable moments, through mistakes, through showing up even when fear is still there. Because every time you speak despite nervousness, every time you continue despite self-doubt, your brain slowly changes. Fear becomes smaller, confidence becomes stronger, and the things that once felt impossible slowly start feeling normal. So if you are still struggling right now, please remember this: you do not need perfect confidence to start changing your life. You only need the courage to take one small step forward today. One sentence, one attempt, one moment of bravery. Because little by little, those small moments quietly create a completely new version of you. And maybe that is the most beautiful part of this entire journey. You are not only learning English anymore, you are learning how to believe in yourself again. And now, this is the most important part of today's video, because understanding these words is not enough. You need to speak them, feel them, and slowly allow them to change the way you see yourself. Now it's your turn to take action. Now, let's practice together. Don't just listen. Speak with me. Every action I take is a vote for the person I want to become. Every time I try to speak, I am choosing growth over fear. I don't need perfect motivation. I need a simple system that I can follow every day. Small daily actions are more powerful than big one-time efforts. My habits are shaping my future, even when I don't see results immediately. Every small effort I repeat is slowly building a stronger version of me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be 1% better than yesterday. I understand now that confidence comes after action, not before it. I am not failing. I am learning and improving step by step. Mistakes are not stopping me. They are guiding me to become better. I am not afraid of making mistakes anymore. Every time I try to speak, I am improving little by little. I may not be perfect today, but I am becoming better every single day. I choose to speak even when I feel nervous or unsure. I don't need to compare myself with others anymore. I only need to be better than who I was yesterday. From today, I am creating a habit of speaking English every day. No matter how I feel, I will show up and continue this journey. I am not someone who quits anymore. I am someone who keeps going. Take a deep breath and feel what you just said. This is not just practice. This is a new version of you being created. One day, you will look back at this moment and you will realize this was the day you stopped doubting yourself. Not because everything became easy, but because you decided you will not quit anymore. There will still be hard days, days when you feel stuck, days when you feel like giving up. But this time, you will remember this moment. You will remember your words. And instead of stopping, you will try again. Because now, you are not the same person anymore. You are someone who keeps going, even when it's hard, even when it's uncomfortable, even when no one is watching. And that is how real change happens. So from today, make a promise to yourself. No matter how slow it feels, no matter how many mistakes you make, you will continue. Say it one last time. I will not give up on myself. And if you are ready to become more confident in English, then support this journey by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the next step of your growth. Because this is not just my journey, this is our journey. Thank you for being here. Thank you for believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep going and never give up.